nice to see you again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Always more and more. This is very good. Anyway, today we do something very Mediterranean, easy to do. We're going to make grilled vegetable. I know it's much better if you have barbecue, but you know, UK the weather is not the best for the barbecue. We need a few ingredients. Later
barbecue inside.
Barbecue inside, yeah, well done Enrico. Basically you can use the veggie you like. I'm gonna use some spring onion, courgette, aubergine, pepper, asparagus and carrot, but you can use everything you like. Well, what you have to do, I have 2 pans for grill already on. My vegetable they already washed. What we're gonna do? We cut. The very important thing is how we cut the vegetable. The first layer, like this, the skin, I take it off, just here, like that, okay? And we start cut like, you know, a finger, thick like that. Because we don't wanna burn, we're gonna grill very nice, you know. From this side do again like this to grill, and we add a little bit oil, just a touch, and sorry guys. I'm scared, I'm just scared. Okay, and it's funny. And now 2 and 3. This is gonna be 3-4 minutes on the grill. I'm gonna show you when they're ready for me. And I'm put another aubergine. I'm gonna show you just because it was already on and strong the flame. 2. Later this I'm gonna chop it and I'm gonna put in the bowl. Oh, like that. You see? Now I don't want to be long. Now I start cook it, and I show you when when I turn them around the time. It's gonna be very easy and delicious. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, I start cut all my vegetable, you know, the asparagus, spring onion, the pepper, and this is 2.5 minutes, you know. We have this situation. For me, it's good. Later everyone can do the way they like, and now when it's like that, I'm turning, okay? I turn from the other side, you see, this is perfect. Oh yeah. This may be a little bit less, and when it's on the gas here, you can move in this way, like that. This is gonna be a little bit more. And when it's cooked, I show you sometime when, because this for cook all this vegetable in this way, I'm gonna take like hour, I know. But I want to show you when I put some different vegetable, how I chop it, and later I'm gonna show you how we're gonna season it. Gonna be absolutely from South Italy, delizioso. Okay, see you soon. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on this channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, see you when I'm do something else. Okay guys, my aubergine, look, like this. It's very hot. For me, you see, show it. For me it's very ready. Now you have 2 options, or you leave like that, or you chop it. The way I'm doing, I chop like that, like pieces like this. Everything I chop like that, and put in the bowl. Okay? You have to do this. You know, this one is ready as well. You know, just I chop like that, and always put new veggie on the grill until you don't finish everything. I'm gonna start prepare now. I'm gonna show you some fresh mint and garlic. This is the ingredient we need. We need just here fresh mint, garlic, salt, and pepper. That's it. And olive oil, very good olive oil. Okay, I'm going to cook this. Sometime I show you the way I'm doing and see you when everything gonna be ready. Okay? See you later. Okay, guys. Here the job is in progress. We have all other vegetables, you know, carrot, everything, and start to prepare. You know, this stuff is almost ready. I put some pepper. They're gonna cook slowly. What we need is very important. The main ingredient here is mint and garlic, guys. Okay, this is fresh mint from our garden. We're gonna chop all this mint. Put nice amount, okay? This means we don't wanna be very small. We don't wanna do very small pieces, you know, quite rough. You know, I love that. You know, you cut mint like this and leave there in the corner. Maybe and garlic as well. Garlic, this depends. I cut like this, but if you like smaller or if you don't like too much, don't put. But garlic and mint is very important. Okay, chop all this and you see, like that. I like that. If you like small or you like you know, grated, up to you. I'm continue here because the work is in progress here, and see you when all the veggie they're ready, and I'm gonna show you when you add the old seasoning. Okay, see you later. Okay, guys, the work is in progress. So see, almost is done. Look, my bowl is almost full. This is left. Example, I want to show you when is the spring onion. This is ready. When it's like that, it's ready. Okay, and that's it. Soon I'm gonna show you how we're gonna season. I chop my garlic like that, and my meat is rough. You know, it's big, it's small, like that. Okay. See you soon. Okay, guys, my roast veg they ready. They coming like this. So is everything is me. It's gonna be for my family. Okay. Now what we can do? Always like the amount you like. Now some salt. Okay. How much you like? Black pepper. We add garlic like this. Oh, I'm so happy for this. Fresh mint, nice like this. Look, my son and my partner, soon wife, they love it. Olive oil, extra virgin, nice amount, because this veg we put inside, we put aubergine, courgette, and carrot. They absorb a lot of oil. Okay, nice amount, and we start mix everything. What the smell, guys! We start mix everything. Oh yeah, super nice. And I add a little bit more salt and pepper, and I'm finished with this garlic and meat. Everything is okay. And of course, I'm Italian. A nice amount of olive oil again. Mix everything, guys. The job is done. There we go. You know, it's done, guys. The job is done. Now leave to rest around 5-6 minutes, 10 minutes like that, and see if you need a little bit more olive oil. put it. If not, guys, this is ready. And I want to show you my little master chef Enrico prepare this salad. It's crazy, another crazy salad, no? Come si chiama? Ah, today, vieni Enrico. Today he lost, come here. Vieni. He lost another dentino.
I lost my fork too.
Oh, it's beautiful. And this salad, Enrico, what is about this salad?
Veggie salad.
Magic salad.
No, yeah, magic salad.
Okay, and guys, anyway.
Because it has a magic ingredient.
I try this roast veggie. There you go, try please. What you think? Wow, it's absolutely delicious, guys. Anyway, the grilled vegetable, the Piero's grilled vegetable is this. If you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao.